Not bad, bud.
Thank you.
You're welcome, thank you. I'm gonna go take a break, okay?
Okay, where?
Just like in Hawaii.
Where Hawaii?
You know, like on the beach.
Is there a bench at the beach?
Yeah, is that alright?
Yeah.
You'll finish this for me?
Yeah, I'll finish it.
Okay. Love
Tell
you.
you when it's your turn.
Okay. Love you.
Love you.
Hello, you guys, and welcome back. We are back in the bedroom. Of course, I was still here. It's still so good, you guys. Thank you so much for all of your responses to last week's video. You guys are the best. You guys are just happy to see the progress. Sitting on the squeakiest spot on my floor, and I really appreciate that. So you guys just saw, I swear I can never get this. You guys just saw that I did some mudding on this wall, and we are not going to get too close, you guys, because mudding, drywall, that's not my strong suit. Trim, molding, love, this, no. So we're just that's probably the most you're gonna see, because this is not a how-to. This is just a what I did to save money. And yeah, it's gonna be a mess. It's gonna be a bit of sanding, a little bit of patching, but it's okay, you guys. We're gonna cover it with some paint and stuff. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. There's always wallpaper, you know. There is always wallpaper. Anyways, you guys, welcome if you're new here. No. If you're new here, my name's Courtney, and sometimes I forget to turn the sound off on my phone when I start recording, and we are making over my primary bedroom. If you were here from the very beginning, you'll know that we caulked and painted the ceiling and painted the room, and now we have taken out a closet and put in some Ikea units. We're gonna be working on those today on the doors. There was a fireplace behind here. I figured there was. I was hoping for a mantle, so we tore all that out and realized it's just the brick, and decided that it was too much money to restore it. And because the brick's not shown in this house anywhere, I didn't want there to be brick in here. I wanted to pay homage to the rest of the home. And so we found a mantle, and we are going to do a faux little fireplace situation. Maybe one day in the future, if I make millions, then we will do some real restoration. But for right now, this is good enough for me, just to add some coziness to the room. So without further ado, we are gonna let that dry for a day, and we're gonna put some doors up here. So we're gonna go ahead and cut doors for all of these, which is so exciting, but it's gonna be worth it. Okay, just stay prepared for those hinges. Obviously not supposed to do this with your clothes in the closet, but I have literally nowhere else to put them because my room is covered in dust already, and the rest of the house has Christmas everywhere, so we'll just wash them again. For those of you who were here when I did my mom's closet, you'll probably remember my mini meltdown when I was trying to install the hinges for these doors, and you might be like, please tell me you didn't buy the same hinges. I won't tell you that. So I bought hinges that may be the same of what I bought last time, and the reason is because it's what everybody recommends, and I'm so confused because if you're here last time, it's fine, I'm stressing before I've even started. They come like this, and they come with no instructions. And so I just watched my video back to see if I gave myself any tips. And the tips I gave myself were to put the hinge together and then screw it into the wall, which is completely wrong, and it makes for a lot more mistakes. However, I'm gonna do it. Because I bought myself the tool that I didn't have last time, because I was like, I'm gonna do this again, and I wanna have the tool. And I remember seeing it when I cleaned out my closet recently, but it's not there. So my brain was going through like all the different places, like, okay, I probably put it in this bin because of this, but then I could have put it in this bin because of thinking this way, so I can't find it. I don't know if when I was cleaning Harvey got to it. I don't know. So we're just gonna go ahead and try to install one of these and not lose our minds. So if you were not here last time, get ready for a show. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. Where? By no means perfect. And it's falling in because I need to put a block, but
There you go.
3 days. It's supposed to be sunny tomorrow. Guess what? Change it to rain. So I have no light in my room, and my lights are hidden away in my attic somewhere. So it's just gloomy. We're all gloomy, okay? I'm ready for Christmas.
What, Mom?
Okay, you guys, I think I owe you a little bit of an update. Hello, new day. And I think I haven't talked since I told you I was going to wood fill. So we wood filled all of the areas. I also did like the cracks here and on the side to make it look connected and sanded that down. You would have kind of seen that as I was painting over it. I also caulked around all of the trim, and then we just primed. And I couldn't talk through the process because someone was having a bit of a rough day yesterday, and I won't tell you who it was. So anyways, but we are better today, and that's what matters. So I am coming back here. We are priming. I think I misordered the number of hinges I needed for the doors. So I need to order some more. I do have 3 more, so I can at least get the big ones on, but I don't think I have enough to finish the boxes. I really don't know. I think I thought that there was 3 in a pack. I don't know what I did. No, I don't think I thought that. I don't know what I did. But anyways, and then I need to order knobs still. So, you know, we're still dealing with that situation every morning when we're getting dressed. Go get one.
Can't find it.
Go find it. And then for this main wall here, it is ready to...
Hi.
Hi, can you...
Hi, can you see me?
Yeah.
Can you see me now?
Yep.
Can you see me?
Yep.
See me?
No.
Can you see me?
No.
Can you see me?
Yep.
Can you see me?
Yep.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
Can you see
No, they can see us. Okay, let me finish saying this, okay?
Hi guys, see you later.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say like this video.
Like this video.
Give it a thumbs up.
Give it a thumbs up. And I love you people. Goodbye, pirates.
And then we have the wall that is ready to be sanded, which
It's ready to be sanded.
it is, but now I gotta wait because this is wet paint, obviously. So I'll probably do that tomorrow. And we can prime the wall. I got primer. I can't talk. Okay, let's keep painting. So excited to close up this section. I think it's because it looked the messiest. Ah! It is coming together. So now I still have to do 2 small doors, but I might just kind of do some other things before I do that. I have to do crown molding, the trim on the bottom. I was waiting until I got these big doors in just in case anything fell on them. I didn't want to nick them up too much. And then where the doors are, you can't see it right now, but I'll show you in a second. They come in a little bit. So I'm just putting a little stopper up in between them. It's not these, it's the ones above, but stopper in between them. So that way the doors will just sit nice and flush on this and they won't sink in. Sorry, I've just been going up and down the stairs to cut the trims and cut the doors. And that's why I love those miter shears to cut small trim, because it saves me going up and down flights of stairs and all around the porch. But Oh, it feels so good. These doors look so good. I might need to shave them just a touch. I did order a hand planer. I literally have like 10 tools in here and I can't find, oh, there it is. It's a hand planer, so you can get like small shavings of wood off. The only thing I tried it out this morning, the only thing I'm noticing is I'm wondering if it's not meant for plywood and it's meant for like solid wood, because it wasn't working as, I wasn't getting like the beautiful wood shavings you're supposed to get, but I don't know if that's just a me thing or not. So I might need to cut just a slight bit off and hopefully this will help me. But you guys, we're getting somewhere. I feel like I need this phase to be over. I need it to be over. We're so close. We're so close. We are, like I said, we finished the little doors. There's a couple doors I need to kind of jig. I did do, I used a circular saw because I don't have a table saw. A table saw is much better for doors because you just get beautiful, smooth, straight cuts. Whereas when you're using a circular saw, if you go off just a little bit, you're going to have some issues. So I probably should have invested in a table saw for this, but honestly, I have no place to store it. So that's why I honestly didn't get it. But just keep that in mind. You can do this with a circular saw. You just might notice a couple extra little gaps and stuff there. I'm not a perfectionist. I mean, I am, but I'm not perfect at this, you guys. I have not built custom cabinetry. It's why I opted for Ikea in the drawers. And yeah. So anyways, I'll probably cut all this up, but there you go. Also, this project has smelled amazing this entire time because I put my candles from Autumn Lure in here, the extra ones that I'm not using right now. It smells so good. I'll link these down below, you guys. Seriously, Exa McKenna, I know a lot of you follow her. Amazing. They're amazing. Yes, some of you have asked me, is it worth the price? Yes, and Lorelei, her new one, incredible. I haven't even burnt it yet. It's just sitting in my living room downstairs and you could smell it. It's so good. So good. Going in.
Oh, bring me back to that day.
I'm coming out.
I had all of this waiting ahead.
What's crazy is that I had a company reach out to me for a drywall sander for the wall. I was like, when will I ever drywall sand a wall?
I don't mind to spend a little time away, but want your hands and not pixels on a web. Down with this Saturday. I run and I run, call you up, you're on the other side. Say my name, kiss my name, believe no more.
Oh my goodness, you guys. You do not even know how amazing it feels to be at this stage. I feel like we are just about done phase one and we are ready to move into phase two. The closets, it's amazing. It's also so cool because it's such a large structure. It gives us so much more storage with those boxes and the drawers and everything, but it takes up no more room. And even Brad said we were lying in bed and you wake up and you look, and because it doesn't have that clutter at the top anymore and just like all the stuff that was around it, it looks so much cleaner and so much more spacious than it was before, even though like it's more than what was there. It's wild what your mind can do with cleanliness. And so it feels so good. We obviously still need to add the crown molding. Add the crown molding. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. And we are going to need to paint. I still do not know what color. I thought at first maybe I was going to do alabaster again. That's already in here, but I think I want just a touch of a different white. I know that sounds crazy. And then so once we figure out the wall color, we'll do the cabinets the same color. I do still need to find hardware. We desperately need to get some hardware, so hopefully that will be next week. Felt so good to get this wall sanded and primed, you guys. Oh my gosh, it was crunch time. It was Friday night. I was exhausted, but I said no. Like I could not have this video be done with that wall being purple one more week. And so put a timer for 20 minutes, sanded it all down, primed it, and it feels so good. And then you guys see up at the mantle there, and Amazingly, Cindy, who I met through here, I met her at Marshall's. She follows me and she texted me. She was at the Depot at Gibson Mill, where I got this mantle from. But when I went there, I wasn't really thinking anything other than I just need a mantle. And she sent me a ton of pictures of the cast iron surrounds that all of our fireplaces have. And so she sent me a picture of one and I was like, would you mind getting that for me? And she did, and we got to hang out for a little bit and go thrifting. It was so much fun. So look at this. Look, you guys, at this detail. So pretty, only $50. So this will go in here. And I love it because it's going to break up like all the tile that I would have had to have done. So typically the ones in our home anyways, or some of them, had like a full front, even that was cast iron in front of this little surround piece. I'll show you guys later. I can't do it today because this is like Sunday morning and I need to go to church and finish editing this video for you guys. But anyway, so I need to figure out what I still want to do to the middle part, but it will save me a ton of tiling having to do around that. I'm so glad I'm doing mantle. It's gonna be so cozy. I think I'm loving it more because it is Christmas time. Speaking of which, I already started decorating my house. If you follow me on Instagram at Heart and Home Crew, I will have told you that, and I'll be posting some stuff shortly to show you guys. I'm so excited. I'm going fuller this year than I did last year. I'm so excited. So make sure you subscribe because I think I might do a thrifting video. I found a ton of great stuff. We went thrifting yesterday. Lots of good Christmas vintage finds, as well as just some home decor stuff that I found out and about. I feel like it'd just be fun because I just love Christmas. So let me know in the comments down below if you want that video. It might be next Sunday or it might be an additional video because we're obviously gonna keep moving along on this room as well. Christmas home tour will be coming. All of the things, you guys, it's all good, but I hope you're having a lovely Sunday. Enjoy that extra hour of sleep. I did not get one. I woke myself up at 4:17 the new time, 5:17 yesterday's time, so that was fun. I'm definitely gonna be having an afternoon nap. Totally great. All right. Love you guys. I hope you're having a great Sunday. Make sure you like this video if you liked it. Comment down below what you're thinking so far. You guys, I promise you, I probably shouldn't promise you, but from here on out, we're pretty much gonna accelerate because I'm going to be doing the paint. We're gonna be adding the wall molding this week, ceiling. I need to find a rug still. I cannot find a bed frame for the life of me, but we are basically like, this was the big chunk. I'm saying that now, but that fireplace is probably, it's gonna be a big chunk too. But the ball is now rolling, you guys. This closet was, and this was, so anyways, I'm talking too much, obviously. Hope you're having a lovely day, and I'll see you next week. Bye guys. Or maybe Thursday with an extra video. I don't know. We'll see. What time allows? What does time allow? What does time allow? Oh, I'm so excited. This is so lovely. I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful.